What's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been? So in this video, we got a what? Another unboxing. So you should already know what these are. I got my pairs in today. Okay. So this is not the pair that I was anticipating, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. This is my size 10. I was able to catch these on sale. Like I said, usually when bam, we got the shoe right here. Nike Vomero 5. This is a clean pair of shoes. This is technically my second pair of Vomeros. I do own another pair, which I got from the retail. These have got on sale. Didn't really expect these to get in so soon. I swear I just ordered them like a day ago. And here they are already at my door. That's pretty amazing. Like I told you, my team is the Houston Texans, and it is hard finding red, white, and blue shoes. So, this year we had the Olympics, so I think it was more red and white and blue shoes that came out this year. But this was a shoe that I did have my eyes on. As you know, this retails for $160. I was able to get these for under retail, and then they were having an additional, I want to say 20% off. I'm going to have to look at my receipt because to be honest with you, I really don't remember where these came from because I had missed out on a sale earlier. These shoes had went for $89, and I hesitated, and by the time I went back in there, they were already sold out. So if you haven't done so already, you need to check out these Nike Vomero 5s. I know this is technically a retro shoe, but this is a very soft shoe in my opinion. One of my favorite things on this shoe that it does feature is Cushlon. That is the foam, this midsole that you're seeing right there, as well as it does have Nike Zoom Air right here up in the white. So there's two forms of technology. This is what makes this shoe so comfortable. Again, it does come in that red, white, and blue colorway. And you see the shoe, it's very clean. I do like the white laces. Of course, to make the shoe pop, you can put a red or blue pairs of laces in there, but I think I'm gonna just keep mine simple and clean, keep the white laces in there. So overall, the shoe is technically, the upper is white, as we see that mesh right here on the toe box, wraps around the toe box in this nice navy blue. And you see we have this 3M right here, which does glow in the dark. And then that's on the side, we do see that Nike red swoosh. I wish the red was a little bit darker. Nike brand, for some reason why they like to use this kind of like crimson red, which is a little bit lighter than normal. So I'm not really mad about that. Again, you see this reflective 3M strip at the top. This does glow in the dark, like I said. We see the side cage that's you customarily see on the Vomero 5s. We do have that, again, Nike Zoom. This in white, going across the midsole, followed out with that Cushlon right here. This is sail colorway. And then finishing off, we do have hits of red at the bottom. I do like that touch because it brings the swoosh back down to the shoe. And if we look at the bottom of the shoe, we see that navy blue, which I think is a really nice touch because it's a dark color. You don't have to worry about getting the bottom of your soles dirty. It does feature that waffle cone traction pattern. And you see on the back, we do see that 1000. And on the back, we do see that Nike uses that BRS 1000. This is a standard for some of its running shoes that uses that hard outer sole so the shoe will last for a long time. Looking at the toe box, we do see kind of like a different grayish material right here. And moving up, we do have the white laces again. We do see that strip right here. This again is 3M. Looking at the tongue, we do see that looks like a quilted pattern in gray with Nike in navy blue with that Vomero 5 on the tongue. So again, as you see, price tag of $160 retail price. Move around to the back of the shoe, we do see that Nike swoosh on the back. It does feature this hard plastic TPU cage that locks in your foot to keep your foot from going left and right. Again, this is the very comfortable shoe. I can wear these shoes all day long. Unfortunately, I would like to get more since these are a comfortable shoe for me, but for some reason why Nike hasn't really been producing. They produce some like wild colors like lime green and, cosmic clay red. Just some really hard colors to wear and match with your clothes. So I think if they would tone it down a little bit and get some more basic shoe coloring, then, you know, I can see a lot more people rocking these. But I think the Vomero 5 wave is going down again right now. We do see a lot of colorways that are going on sale. There is another colorway that I am interested in. It is black and red pair. If I can get those to go on sale, I'll probably go ahead and scoop them up as well. Again, this is my second pair of Vomero 5s. Let me know down in the comments, are you rocking the Vomero 5s? And what do you think about these, sneakerheads?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.